Hello, Internet. Welcome to Game.
Oh my god, no, come on, don't do this. Don't waste this. You're like a compulsive gambler. It's not gonna get better just because you keep doing it.
We might unlock something, Steph.
Your odds of success don't go up after a certain
Quiet,
number of failures.
I need to focus.
It's statistics.
Quiet! Damn it, Steph, God. I told you! Do you want me to waste the tokens? Oh.
Yeah, it's my fault that you didn't do it.
Yes! Because I'm trying to, like, not listen to you be so you're like a rain cloud. Like a rain cloud over my head. Being like, whoa, you're never gonna do this. You're never gonna do this. Why do you suck so much? And I'm like, well, I've gotta focus on the...
Why